Guys, have you tried attending a seminar na ilahang food gi-offer is so good? So, first time na ko ni-attend og CBS Talks, vlogging is not dead. In fairness sa seminar, daghan jud kog nakatunan diri Na-amaze ko kung how they evolve, and I'm so thankful nga naka-join ko diri And also, I'd like to thank the sponsors, SEDA Central Block Cebu, DNB Wines and Spirit, the CBS family, and to all the organizers. Kudos jud sa inyo ha to make it possible. So, balik ta sa ilahang food. Oh my God, guys. Daghan kayo og food selection. And wala jud nako nigi-miss ang pabuhat sa pasta. Oh my God. Kanilang daan, as in, makabusog na jud siya. Na-amaze ko nga ang food kay lutuon sa imuhang atubangan. And oh my God, look at this. Wow. They also offers roasted beef. Na nasad sila inihaw na paluto. Na ay lechon belly. Desserts, and oh my God, the food is so great ha. Akong personal favorite kay ilahang gulay, oh my God, the best. They have pastries, dessert, dim sums, and salads. So this is all what I got. And guys, very spacious kayo ang place ha. Since 1 hour man namong lunch break, as in kaon na jud ko dayon. Oh my God, daghan jud kog na kaon diri ha, as in. So nagkuha kog fruits and dessert. Then after, nibalik na mi sa seminar. And guys, nakadaog ko ha. Maura to, share lang nako.